the third day. We did Black Bear Pass yesterday. It was fun, but it was very rough. So we got to the camp spot around like 10 p.m. We just slept through. Today's the morning. We're about to leave Terurai and heading to the Moab and Utah.
I don't think we spent enough time. This is a beautiful state, beautiful trails, beautiful everything. I mean, there's not one bad thing. I've definitely got to come back. Maybe I'll fly out and rent something instead of driving back. But yeah, this state is beautiful. Just can't get enough of it.
What was your favorite moment in Colorado?
Probably Black Bear Pass.
Bear Pass?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Love doing it. I'd do it again today if we had time, but and anyone else wanted to join me, but but yeah, that's definitely on my own.
All right. All right. All right, let's go to Utah now.
Yep, let's go.
We're finally in the Moab City. This is not where we're staying tonight. We're gonna go to San Rafael. It's called Wedge. That's where we're gonna camp, but we're just getting the filling up the gas. But it's hot in here. It's very hot. All right, hey guys. So finally we're at the Morcon Wash. This is a way that we're gonna get to the our camp spot, which is called Wedge, and it's just dirt roll, but we're just gonna air it down. So here is the oldest line over here. We have a lot of gladiators in our cruise. Really nice scene getting to the Wedge. So I'm gonna do a lot of drone footage, which is I can't wait to share with you guys soon. All right, bye.
Right at home, honey, does it well. Keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels, feels like this. The sun has got me on my track. I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. I ain't looking back. Inside the depths of stone, voice will echo, need no phone. Ruled by the laws above, nature shows me, makes me taught. I could climb this mountain now, rise above the clouds and see.
Hey guys, finally we're at the Wedge camp spot right here. This is amazing. This is the real epic. Hello guys.
What is up?
How you guys like this spot?
It sucks. I had to pick a prettier spot.
It was great until you guys showed up. How you doing, Jay?
Alright, it was a long day, but
Long day?
yeah.
I've been here since 2 o'clock.
Wow, nice.
Supercharger works good.
Yeah, fast flying.
I went to Jurassic Park. No, there was a park. back
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, there is on the way here.
Yeah, so I went there and I, learned about Earth.
Mm-hmm.
All
All
right.
right.
This awesome spot, Jay. Did you
Yeah.
check this out?
Yeah, I've been here 2 times. This is one of my favorite spots.
Yes.
And yes, all those camping spots we're going, I already been there, and I checked it out. And yes, and also we have to come here to do the pre-run. So Eric and I and Johan, we came here to make sure everything is worked. But in terms of like distance, right, there's some driving was there, but we couldn't give up this.
We have our own campsite all to ourselves here.
Yep.
And a porta john. What more do you want?
Yep. That edge is an amazing spot right there too.
Prettier than the Grand Canyon.
Yes, actually, yes. People don't know much about it over here, but if you actually walk to the little canyon over there, it looks much better.
Yeah. I was going to drive down there when I was up on a bluff up there.
Uh-huh.
Because that's where my Garmin took me.
Okay.
But then Rob came rolling by and said, now we're supposed to be here. So.
All right, let's have fun.
Yeah.
Utah or Colorado?
Ooh, man, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to pick Utah.
Utah?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Last views were nice, but you know, it's a little better.
Hello, how's it going?
How are you?
Good.
My Jay, nice to meet you.
This is my wife Joy.
Nice to meet you.
That's good. Thanks for having us out.
All right. What made you guys come here?
How could you not come here? It's beautiful.
All right.
We wanted to spend an evening with you guys.
All right, and we cannot wait to see the Devil Lights turning up.
That's right.
Yep.
That's right. We'll keep you safe from the cliff's edge.
That is correct. Hey guys, the reason that I'm doing the YouTube, this is something that I wanted to share with you guys with the nice sunset and this happy view right here. Yeah, this is the reason I'm doing the YouTube, to share it to you guys. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna do another things, but if I don't get to say hi to you later tonight, all right. Good night, and I'm just gonna have fun with my cruise tonight. All right, bye.
Oh, the falls that kept me strong.